Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks in Block Blast Pink. To effectively generate new blocks, your primary focus should be on clearing existing ones. When you successfully complete a line or a designated group of blocks, those blocks disappear. This action then triggers the game to automatically introduce fresh blocks from the top of your playing area. Understanding this fundamental mechanic is key to maintaining a steady flow of new pieces and progressing through levels. To maximize the rate at which new blocks appear, try to clear multiple lines at once. This often results in a larger influx of new pieces, giving you more options. Utilize any special blocks you create, like bombs or line clearers, to remove significant portions of the board. A clear board, especially towards the bottom, ensures there's ample space for new blocks to drop without immediately blocking your progress. Plan your moves to create cascades and combos for optimal block generation. Strategic placement of your current blocks is crucial for future block generation. Always think a few moves ahead, positioning blocks in ways that will allow you to complete lines easily. Try to avoid leaving single, isolated blocks that are difficult to clear, as these can quickly clutter your board. Keeping columns open, particularly in the center, provides flexibility for larger or more awkward incoming shapes. This thoughtful approach ensures a smoother flow of new blocks and sustained gameplay. For advanced play, always prioritize clearing any blocks that are preventing new ones from dropping freely. This often means sacrificing a perfect line clear for a more immediate board reset. Familiarize yourself with common block patterns and how they can be quickly cleared to keep the game moving. Remember, consistent block generation is the lifeblood of Block Blast Pink. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.